Hey, are you someone who likes to, learn Power BI for data analysis, and maybe you are just starting with it, and you want to know how to begin and what are the key points that you should target to learn Power BI? Then this is the right video for you because I'm going to discuss on each and every domain and points which would help you to understand how to learn, what are the different steps you should understand in Power BI to learn it in an effective way. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's begin. So there are five key aspects that you can concentrate on and try to learn Power BI. So the first one is prepare the data, and it helps you to understand how you can connect the data from different data sources, which is the starting point of you doing data analysis when you are learning Power BI. Next is cleaning the data. So once you get the data onto Power BI, you should understand how to clean the data and then use it in a more effective way. Next is like model the data, understanding the relationships in Power BI, in intro to DAX, measure versus calculated columns. So if you get data from different data sources and if you want to combine the data source or merge the data sources, how to do it and all those stuff you should learn. That is the next thing you should understand. All right. Then intro to DAX, there are certain DAX formulas that can be used, especially if you want to have certain elements like sum of certain information or count of certain information. Then DAX functions would be handy, and you should understand some basics of, at least basics of DAX, so that you can use Power BI in a much better way. Next is visualize the data, of course. So once you get the data, once you do some cleaning of the data, then you have to do modeling part. That is, if there are if the data is from different data sources, then you should know how to combine and merge, use DAX functions. Post that, you can use that particular data into your visualizations, and that is the most like kind of a end product that you want to showcase in front of the audience that you target. So based on the business scenarios, you can customize the visualizations that Power BI has by default. You can use different kinds of charts, different kinds of cards, which is available in Power BI. And next is analyze the data. So after the visualizations have been placed and been presented to the audience, as well as maybe you who could be in a manager position or something like that, so you can also do the analysis easily based on the visualizations that you have come up with. Next is like deploy and maintain assets, publish to Power BI service, managing workspace and security roles. So the last part is like, once you get that report properly, once you build the visualizations, the next thing is deploying it onto Power BI service. Is an online Power BI service wherein you can easily share the dashboard. It is the end product wherein you can see your report in a dashboard. For a dash there, you get the ability to even share that particular visualization to the audience that you target very easily, if you especially if you have a pro version of Power BI. And also you can export it into the PowerPoint presentation very easily. And the next thing is managing workspace and security roles. So once you get this data into Power BI service, you can also try to manage the roles and create security, as in you can control like who can use the Power BI report. There could be certain reports which cannot be shared with everyone, or certain elements of of that report cannot be shared with everyone due to confidentiality of the data or criticality of the data. So in that scenario, Power BI service would help you to manage the workspaces and give security roles to certain members of the audiences and share your dashboards in a more secured way. So, hope I think you got these five key domains or key points that you can target when you're trying to learn Power BI. And I learned Power BI in a better way from the PL 300 course that Microsoft had. I've been certified. I've been my certified by Microsoft after giving their PL300 exam. If you are interested to give the exam, then definitely try to subscribe my channel, because I come up with such videos which are more focused on to Power BI and the PL300 exam. Hope you got some value from this video. If so, then please show your support and try to subscribe my channel and like this video, so that YouTube algorithm will send this video to more people and my channel will also grow. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.